You've just been hired as the new Director of Development of a nonprofit. To no surprise, you are accomplished, have a proven track record, and come highly recommended. Without question, you are eager to get started and have your own checklist of priorities ready to tackle. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. Let's flip roles here for a moment. As the CEO or Executive Director, you want to make sure your Development Director gets off to a great start. Remember, she moved here from another organization or community because she believes in the cause, and she believes in you as a leader. No doubt you will support her in every way possible. She is there to drive the fundraising aspect for your organization. Certainly, her success is your success. This illustration shows how important it is for the Executive Director to set the tone for the new Development Director joining the team. And one of the most critical parts in welcoming the director is the onboarding. And as much as anything, it helps everyone understand their role with the new person. This is especially important if the role is misunderstood or the position is new at your organization. Equally important, the Development Director must intimately get to know the nonprofit's mission and learn how donors relate to the cause. Embracing the values and finding a deep passion for the mission will be key to how well the Development Director connects with people and drives the fundraising process. In summary, I have identified how you, the Development Director, should spend your first 100 days on the job. This helps you hit the ground running and sets you up for success. Check it out in the link here. And one more thing, if you have not downloaded my free Major Gift Fundraising Blueprint, you'll want to download it now. Click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com, then click on the bright green button that says Get Free Plan. See you next time.